How to see Roblox purchase history on iPhone or Android phone. Welcome to another Roblox mobile tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Roblox purchase history on your phone. So this will be on your iPhone or Android phone. And this will include items that you purchased with Robux and also when you purchased Robux. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, there actually is no way to see your purchase history within the Roblox app. So what we need to do is open up a browser and navigate to roblox.com. Once you get to roblox.com, it'll say continue in app. Do not select continue in app, select continue in browser below that. Then you'll be prompted to log into your Roblox account, so go ahead and do that. Once you get logged in, select the Robux icon in the top right, and then select My Transactions. From here, we can see a summary of all your transactions on Roblox, including your incoming Robux and outgoing Robux. If you scroll up to the top, you can see the type of transaction, either currency purchases where you bought Robux, your purchases and sale of goods. And then you can also change the date range to anywhere from past day to past year. So if I go here, you should see some information, sale of goods, and then purchases. All right, so that's how you see your purchase history on Roblox Mobile. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.